The unity of body, mind, and spirit. Welcome to Consciousness Chronicles, where we delve into the depths of holistic wellness and spiritual harmony. In this video, we will explore the unity of body, mind, and spirit, uncovering the profound effects of mindfulness practices and positive thoughts on our overall well-being. Join us as we unlock the transformative power of aligning these three essential elements in our daily lives. Don't miss out on this enlightening journey towards wholeness. If you enjoy this content, remember to subscribe to our channel for more insightful videos like this one, and don't forget to hit the like button to show your support. Thank you for joining us on this path to inner balance and harmony. Exploring the interconnectedness of physical health, mental well-being, and spiritual harmony. One fascinating aspect of exploring the interconnectedness of physical health, mental well-being, and spiritual harmony is the profound impact that each of these components has on the others. Research shows that maintaining physical health through regular exercise, a balanced diet, and sufficient rest not only improves overall well-being but also has a positive effect on mental health. Physical activity, for instance, has been linked to reduced stress levels and improved cognitive function, demonstrating the intricate relationship between our bodies and minds. Furthermore, mental well-being plays a crucial role in shaping our physical health and spiritual harmony. The state of our mental health can influence our behaviors, habits, and lifestyle choices, ultimately affecting our physical well-being. In the same vein, nurturing spiritual harmony through practices such as meditation, mindfulness, or connecting with nature has been shown to have a beneficial impact on mental health by fostering a sense of peace, purpose, and interconnectedness with the world around us. When these three elements, physical health, mental well-being, and spiritual harmony, are in balance and aligned, individuals often experience a deeper sense of fulfillment, resilience, and overall vitality. This holistic approach to well-being emphasizes the importance of treating the body, mind, and spirit as interconnected and interdependent aspects of our being, highlighting the need for a comprehensive approach to health that takes into account the multifaceted nature of human experience. Unveiling the profound effects of mindfulness practices on holistic wellness. Mindfulness practices have increasingly gained recognition for their profound effects on holistic wellness, encompassing the interconnected realms of physical, mental, and spiritual well-being. Studies indicate that engaging in mindfulness techniques, such as meditation and deep breathing exercises, can lead to a myriad of benefits, including reduced stress levels, improved emotional regulation, and enhanced cognitive performance. By cultivating present-moment awareness and non-judgmental acceptance, individuals can cultivate a greater sense of inner peace and clarity in their daily lives. Furthermore, the impact of mindfulness extends beyond the individual level to encompass broader societal aspects. Research suggests that communities and organizations that incorporate mindfulness practices into their structures experience positive outcomes such as increased collaboration, enhanced problem-solving abilities, and higher levels of employee satisfaction. By fostering a culture of mindfulness, workplaces and schools can create environments that prioritize well-being, creativity, and resilience among their members. Moreover, the integration of mindfulness practices into healthcare settings has shown promising results in the treatment of various physical and mental health conditions. From reducing symptoms of anxiety and depression to improving pain management and immune function, mindfulness-based interventions offer a holistic approach to healing that addresses the root causes of distress rather than merely treating the symptoms. By empowering individuals to tap into their innate capacity for healing and self-awareness, mindfulness practices pave the way for profound transformations in overall wellness and quality of life. The impact of positive thoughts and emotions on the body-spirit balance. Positive thoughts and emotions play a crucial role in maintaining the delicate balance between the body and spirit. Scientific research has demonstrated that cultivating a positive mindset can have a profound impact on physical health, influencing factors such as immune function, cardiovascular health, and longevity. By fostering optimistic thoughts and emotions, individuals can bolster their innate healing abilities and enhance their overall well-being from a holistic perspective. The connection between positive emotions and the body-spirit balance is further evidenced by the field of psychoneuroimmunology, which explores the intricate relationship between the mind, the nervous system, and the immune system. Studies have shown that emotions such as gratitude, compassion, and joy can lead to the release of beneficial neurotransmitters and hormones, promoting a state of relaxation and harmony within the body. This ripple effect can have far-reaching implications for one's health, contributing to lower levels of inflammation, better stress management, and an increased capacity for resilience in the face of adversity. Moreover, the integration of positive thoughts and emotions into spiritual practices has been a cornerstone of many ancient wisdom traditions and healing modalities. From mindfulness meditation to energy healing techniques, various spiritual disciplines emphasize the importance of cultivating love, compassion, and forgiveness as pathways to spiritual growth and inner peace. By aligning the mind and spirit in a state of positivity and gratitude, individuals can attune themselves to higher vibrational frequencies that foster a deeper sense of connection to themselves, others, and the world around them. In essence, the impact of positive thoughts and emotions on the body-spirit balance transcends mere psychological well-being to encompass a profound shift in one's consciousness and sense of purpose. By nurturing a reservoir of positivity within, individuals can tap into a wellspring of resilience, strength, and vitality that not only enhances their personal health but also radiates outward to create a ripple effect of healing and transformation in the world. How integrating movement, meditation, and gratitude nourishes the whole self. Integrating movement, meditation, and gratitude into daily life forms a trifecta of practices that nourish the whole self on physical, mental, and spiritual levels. Regular physical activity not only strengthens the body but also enhances cognitive function and emotional well-being. Engaging in movement, whether through exercise, yoga, or simply taking a walk, can boost endorphin levels, reduce stress, and improve overall vitality. Meditation serves as a powerful tool to cultivate mindfulness, inner peace, and self-awareness. Research has shown that regular meditation practice can lead to structural changes in the brain associated with improved emotional regulation, heightened focus, and reduced symptoms of anxiety and depression. By taking time to quiet the mind and turn inward, individuals can tap into a profound sense of clarity and connection to their innermost selves. Gratitude, often referred to as the attitude of thankfulness, has been linked to numerous health benefits, including lower blood pressure, improved immunity, and enhanced psychological well-being. By consciously practicing gratitude through daily reflections, journaling, or acts of kindness, individuals can shift their perspective towards the positive aspects of life and cultivate a sense of abundance and contentment. This shift in mindset not only nourishes the spirit but also creates a ripple effect of positivity that can permeate every aspect of one's existence. When movement, meditation, and gratitude are integrated synergistically, they create a holistic approach to self-care and personal growth. By incorporating these practices into a daily routine, individuals can nourish their entire being, body, mind, and spirit, fostering a state of balance, resilience, and harmony that not only benefits the self but also radiates outwards to create a sense of interconnectedness with the world and all living beings. Unlocking the transformative power of aligning body, mind, and spirit in daily life. Aligning body, mind, and spirit in daily life involves tapping into the transformative power of holistic well-being. When the body, mind, and spirit are in harmony, individuals experience a sense of wholeness, vitality, and purpose that propels them towards personal growth and self-realization. This alignment serves as the foundation for living a fulfilling and meaningful life, grounded in self-awareness and authenticity. The physical body is intricately connected to our mental and emotional states, and maintaining physical health is crucial for overall well-being. Exercise, nutrition, and adequate rest are essential components of caring for the body and cultivating vitality. Regular physical activity not only strengthens muscles and bones but also boosts energy levels, enhances mood, and supports cognitive function. When the body is nourished and well-tended, individuals are better equipped to face life's challenges with resilience and vigor. Caring for the mind involves cultivating mental wellness through practices such as mindfulness, meditation, and positive psychology. By training the mind to focus on the present moment, let go of negative thought patterns, and cultivate a positive outlook, individuals can experience profound shifts in their mental and emotional well-being. Research has shown that practices like mindfulness meditation can rewire the brain, leading to increased emotional regulation, enhanced creativity, and improved overall mental health. Nurturing the spirit involves connecting to a sense of purpose, inner wisdom, and deeper meaning in life. Spiritual well-being is often associated with qualities such as compassion, gratitude, and a sense of interconnectedness with all life. By engaging in practices that resonate with one's spiritual beliefs, whether through prayer, nature connection, or community involvement, individuals can cultivate a sense of inner peace, fulfillment, and alignment with their higher self. This alignment of body, mind, and spirit creates a fertile ground for personal transformation, self-discovery, and the realization of one's full potential. The unity of body, mind, and spirit. Explore the depths of holistic wellness and spirituality with Consciousness Chronicles. Dive into the interconnectedness of body, mind, and spirit for a transformative journey towards inner balance. Subscribe for more enlightening content and hit the like button to support our mission of holistic well-being. Join us in unlocking the secrets to a harmonious life.